No dopey can beat me. No dopey can beat me. I said no dopey can beat me. I'm here see the Spanish town dopey. They left Spanish town and come down at Kingston and box me. I'm a watch it now. I make me nearly drop down what there. You understand? So if it's really the Spanish town dopey come down at Kingston what they come go out with them antics and whatever. Let me tell you something. My thing no normal. I mean it's a leaf of life. I mean it's a kananga water. I mean it's a tambourine. I mean it's a spin your roll 3 times. Not 1, not 2. If you spin your roll 2 times, anybody who don't even know the road code. If you spin your roll 2 times, you just spin back the same sitting upon you. You have to spin it 3 times. Spin your roll 3 times. 1 German, 2 German, 3 German. See the root, get the water. Shake it out, 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 shake it out. See the root, get the wall of your crosses right now. What roots should bless long time enough for eat and thing, but you don't know. German, now worry yourself, man. Look more when she eat, look like Devon food, she got choke. Roots say you lucky, but done that already. Why is the root? You walked out the food already. Don't say a flipping word. I want to say good afternoon to you people. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Mixup An Blenda show. Alright, I want to, before we pray, I don't know things that you always are here with me and Kate Osborne. But no. I'm not cussing her or nothing because I haven't been cussing her. But what do I see Kate Osborne in the paper? And listen me, Kate Osborne, they look good. She did in a grey, either green and something another. With black, grey, black and something. What's it, grey, black and red? And she looked, hey, Naomi. Why uptown people love the word fabulous? Jesus God. What is a gay? No, it's not a gay. No, gay people use the word fabulous not, but uptown people in general love the word fabulous. You never got the bossy thing, you look fabulous. It's the constant refrain. You look, oh, she was absolutely fabulous. Then love fabulous. Well, Kia Osborne, they look good with them. Me nah lie. If we are going to knock her when our here as challenges, we must give her credit when. And our ear did come back. No, she looked majestic. She was sophisticated. She looked first lady-ish. Me nah lie. Yeah, at a level like that one, she was just stately, elegant, classy, sophisticated. Okay, if you just allow me to use some of the indigenous vernacular from our inner city. You did a shell down the place, Kia. You did a shell down the city. I'm not lie. And we say, hey, you forget some pie for that. Pie. I'm not lie, people. And you're looking at the Observer, must have 2-3 days ago. You see it. You see the picture. Go online and looking at the Observer. And 2-3 days ago, you see the picture. Kate Osborne did a take life what there. Her outfit did a Waan. Me nah lie. Kate, you shell down the place. All me when me look for you and thing, me I say, yo, you sell off. Go on bounce it same way, Kate. Go on take it to them same way. You understand? So you have to do your thing. Anyway, make we get a prayer now. Big and serious what I call the haters and the dirty wicked people. Alright? Shall we pray? Okay, shall we pray? Almighty God, most heavenly Father, as I come to you in prayer, here I am in Jamaica where we have the good and the bad. Lord, you know say Satan turn up in our country, but your presence is still here with us. And Lord, you know say you have a whole heap of dirty people out there. And at them say Satan. But God, we ask you for bless them. We ask you for show them the right way. We ask you for clot out bad mind out of them crosses, Lord of mercy. You understand? We ask you to bless them and to all the God bless people out there who live good with people, who help people, and about walk and tell everybody who them help on them something. They bless them to Lord. For all of the trying people, them, God, as I come to you in prayer, you see me and try me look at thing, I'm going to put my board them out there. But some of the crosses people, them, I take up my board them and I dash them and smite them, Lord. Strike them. Make retribution, take them crosses, this Lord of mercy. You understand? Bless all of the good people, them, bless the help of them. Bless the people them who sweep street. Bless the taxi man and the taxi woman. Lord, you see one taxi man dead last night. The man out there work, 30 a day while I work for him family and thing. And then go for rob the poor man, shoot him up, killing the man, crashing a Stanton terrace, and go dead. Bless all our taxi man them and taxi woman them, protect them. Bless Jamaica this holiday, Master God. Bless Jamaica, bless the people them who sell in a market. Bless the Igla them who come from country. Bless the ICI them informal commercial importer. Bless all of the ghetto people them, Lord God. And bless the uptown people them, because sometimes ghetto people go on like uptown people and need blessing too. Sometimes ghetto people go on like uptown people by virtue of being uptown, them don't have any problems too. But God, we know uptown people are them's a problem more time. So bless them and protect them. Protect them. Bless Rascava, because him don't believe in God the way or we are pray to God right now. But he's still a member of the Tambourine family. And big up all of the people them from Rastafari. Bless Stephen Golding and Imsa Marcus Garvey and Rastafari, Bruce Golding's son. You know you have been challenges to and thing just by being the Prime Minister's son. People are texted upon him, but he's my friend. He's my friend. He's my friend. So bless Stephen Jr. Bangarang Golding, me fi say. Stephen Jr. Bangarang Golding. Bless him. Bless Portia Simpson. Bless Bruce Golding. And bless them for look out for the people them and thing, and don't only look out for the wealthy people them and so forth who use capital to get political favors. Bless Greg Christie. Bless the one Cliff Hughes. Bless the one Cliff Hughes. Bless Glasses Man, the chief and thing. Bless the whole nationwide and thing. Bless everybody. And Lord, I read the Star today, and I see on the front page of the Star where two women in court and thing and big fight bus over Befa, because one of them go call me sure. Bless them too, Lord. Bless us, bless the whole of this holiday season, because you know say sometimes some foolishness go on and them call it the silly season. Bless Mark Wignall. Bless Al Miller. Bless Reverend Dumas. And bless Ruth Lee, because Lord, you know, say sometimes she have some challenges with her hair and thing. Yeah. And things, so bless Ruth Lee too. Sister Peggy, large up yourself, Miss Sermon, large up yourself, you know, everything. Okay. All right. It's a good time for...
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, that anything really can go so. For can you believe it? Today we're going to a place called Roorkela. Roorkela. This is in India. Roorkela. Don't even ask me if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Roorkela in India. And today's issue is, the topic is, wife discovers that husband is actually a woman. Just the topic alone for this something, you know. Let me tell you, say, me don't even read the mix-up yet, you know. I'm not buying a pussy in a bag, you know, man. Me have to sample it first. Alright, wife discovers that husband is actually a woman. Make we read the precke. Incredibly, a woman was married to another woman for 6 months and didn't realize it. Over the backside. And didn't realize it all along. The husband, the so-called husband, recently fled when she realized that she had been discovered. The information about the whole saga is that Minati Katua got married to the supposed husband, Sitakant Rutre, barely 24 hours after they met. That figures. The suspicion about the gender of the husband was raised by the family of Minati after the couple visited the village of Minati. The only problem now is that Rutre has run off with whatever the couple has. The couple reportedly acquired many of the things with bank loans that were obtained in the name of Minati. She has subsequently launched a formal complaint with the police to help get Rutre and possibly the stolen things back. So what took Minati so long to discover the lie? Well, Rutre was clever and had the whole thing planned out. She allegedly told Minati that she was observing some spiritual sanctification and as such had to abstain from sex. She promised Minati that after the period, the puja would be performed. As it later turned out, that was a lie. So, this is somebody I meet somebody and run go marry them. In a one day. One day. These are the love at first sight idiots, you know. These are the lovers, and I don't mean that in a terrible, like, you know, like discriminating way, like a put down way. But I think it's idiocy. It's idiotic to me go marry somebody where you just meet. Go and work with them. If you want to say, you know, some just meet and we feel like we're there. Yeah, we're there. Juggle with it. Don't go married yet. Run go married. Then after you run go married, now the person go, so you want to see me up on a spiritual thing, you know. So now the can't shot till all of 6 months. You see me? So just go and build. You understand? If you want me to buy you something for your top drawer, yeah, and you just go and wallet. You see me? Foolishness. I fear fall. Me not fall. Me not can't go meet somebody one day. I know said this a woman here, you know. Sita can't root tray. A real man royal that, you know. Real man royal that forgot bunk sit down here there, you know. You understand? And trick the woman now. And you see it? Damn thief. Cut with the whole of the woman. You know what she do? Make the woman use her name and buy up the things them, you know. Buy up the things them. Right? What people let me tell you what going on. Is a woman. Woman pose as man. Draw for a woman. Meet her one day. Hey. And you know say fear lyrics supposed to tight. You understand? For she meet a woman and lyrics are done so make she go married in a one day. You know say hey, you know say something go on there so. We're not going into details, but some swiping go on there so, you know. Some swiping. You know say it'll come to me right, you know. Some swiping go on here, so. No, some swiping go on here, so. Right? Something mash up her head, but she said, no, sir, I have to marry this man right away. You understand? Something mash up her head, yo. You see me? And run go married, and then no use fear on you. But she a real claffy. She a real kunumunu. By the way, where Jamaican get that term from? Kunumunu. Hey, sometimes the things them just come out and you used to stop and you say, yo, where that come from? But she a real kunomono, no? Even such a marriage, she run go ring so the whole her money them for 6 months and buy up the things them. And then the thief in lesbian just cut because he's a lesbian. He's a lesbian. Because he's a woman. And cut with her things them and gone. Probably a regular thing that she do too, you know. Roll up on a woman them like a man. Make them think they're married and thing and then cut with the money and cut with the things them and whatever. But this is abstaining from sex thing, man. Oh. So Barbie Shanti there on the fan wall about you fool people, about you abstain from sex like she take with idiot. About you abstain from sex. Oh. You can't come tell me that thing about religious reasons and whatever. I say, okay, fine, me respect your thing and whatever. Moving right along. Who is the next here? I go say, well, go on. I know the church people them always vexing me with this, but me think particularly in them day and age, you must be careful. Like the problems that can emerge from not sampling the thing first. The potential problems that can emerge in the marriage after and so forth. They're way bigger than not knowing what you get. But put it this way. It's just fundamentally intelligent to know what you're getting into before you get into it. Again, it is just basic intelligence. Know what you're getting into before you get into it. Because even though this woman a robber and thief for money right now, me don't even have the robber a thief. And we know that. You understand? Thieving lesbian. You understand? But she's not the issue. The issue is the one who's going to make the thing happen. I hope she learn from her mistake again. I know she get a look of fix up right here, some man. We mash up her head, man. And thing. I think a look of people get some good start out. And obviously, she never gets start out, you know. So she get a look of different thing there, you know. For real. Poor thing. That was...
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
I get your levels right here now. I want to big up all our listeners right here. So, you know, we're good Jamaica, you know. Westmoreland people, large upon yourself. Hanover, Montego Bay people. Those so. St. James, Linky. Chilani to the flipping world. St. Anna, say a word, man. Watch your real son, Alexandria and Harlem. And the boom bang respect to the whole uno. Yeah. Saint Pepsi country. Big up my Linky Pepsi over there in a Crawford, St. Elizabeth. All of my Black River people. Large up Malvern, Santa. Big respect to you indeed. And thing. Pepper, St. Elizabeth too. Goshen and all them ends there. On know the thing set down a junction there and sitting. Large up on yourself. Big up all like blue eye people them down there too. The black people them have blue eye because I will heap of mixing did go on back in the day when them did that do the dugu and did a hook and a dagger and all them something there. And you don't know so the slave master them did come out and start, let us say they were partaking of the indigenous offerings and so forth and things. And large up on yourself over there in a Clarendon tune. Everything is everything. Me a pen Clarendon, dosa. All of my Spanish Town people, I'm a Reggae rate Spanish Town, so a war. Big up Portmore family, large up on the set. Yeah, man, Spanish Town, large up on the set. De La Viega, Rivali, Tarspen, Ellerslie, Olmsted, Olaba Road, and big up Olaba family and Olaba Bay. Big up on yourself to count it down, so everything. St. Mary, Mumuma Parish, Malgully sent me and all of the Linky, them I sent me and all of them. Every ends up there. What was it? Orocabessa, Port Maria, Gale, and all them places, and I sent me a large up on yourself. Big up everybody who hungry right here now. Hold it. See what you can do. Because sometimes you notice some of the hungry and going like you still don't want to eat anything. If you're hungry, if you're really hungry, clot up a bulla. And that we say. If you're really hungry, dash out. And what is dash out? Tin mackerel, dirty gal, tin mackerel. That's the term we give, tin mackerel, dirty gal. Eat some humble food, we call it. You understand? Some of that hype. Some of that big food and a hype. You understand? Anyway, telephone lines we go right, you know, proper mix up, we say, no. We want some energy up in the sitting of them, you understand? Here we go, good afternoon, hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings. Hello?
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes, good afternoon.
I'm really calling Friday. I get ready to mix up by myself.
And give you what?
I get ready to mix up man by myself. Center man.
The wedding. Yeah, so what you say I know?
Anything you want, Mr. Raga, you can tell me.
Okay. But you know, so I'm not quite remember I mix. Wait, your phone pop down?
No.
Then what kind of humming that in your phone?
That caller come in, that's why.
No, I no caller come in sound that. That sound like humming, like one humming in the night time. But anyway, but you know, so I'm not quite remember your mix up and thing and whatever.
So we have to get to that again.
You did sleep with a man right before your wedding?
Yes.
You sleep with a different man right before your wedding, don't?
Yes.
And why you did do that again?
Coming on what's the mood already, you know?
What you mean? When you sleep with
Yeah.
the brother where you did sleep with before your wedding? You did there with him before, don't?
No, but the feelings with them kind of look good. Somebody always want to experience it.
You always want to experience what?
in Saturn. You want to know what it was like.
Oh, so you didn't like him long time?
So the attitude and everything, yeah.
Oh, so you just curious about him sort out for a long time?
Yes.
And it just happened for you run the night before you're married?
Yeah.
But then tell me something now. The night before a woman married, is always...
It wasn't the night before. It was a week.
It was what?
A week before with me.
A week before you're married?
Yes.
But you know, okay, but so some people that listen right now and I say, boy, you're going to start out a week before you're married. Not carelessness that. What you that say to them?
I don't know carelessness, but as I said before, like, you don't know, maybe I get to the marriage for the wrong reason. And I like to, but you really want to marry that guy just because the benefits.
Or the benefits, you done married him for the benefits?
Yes.
Or like what you could have get from him?
Yeah, and there's a foreign him there, so.
Foreign him there. So you didn't want that security there and certain opportunities and things.
Yes,
so the man where you didn't married now, you enjoy the start out with him?
Not really, no.
Oh, well, him start out pop down?
I enjoy other things, yeah. Him can do other things, so all right. Yeah, but.
Oh, him can do other things? That is usually code for say him can swipe good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you enjoy when him swipe then?
Yeah, I enjoy that.
But the sort out partner really...
Not really did it.
Okay, not really did it. But the youth where they shot it with then, how that sort out they did go?
Yeah, but that good. That up there, him can do him thing.
Oh, him can do him thing?
Yeah, I give him a 90%.
You give him a 90%. But tell me now, him broke though?
He's not broke, but he's not have it like, yeah, that way. He's not have it like that, still, but him.
Oh, okay.
He can manage, right? He can manage.
So then tell me something now. You and him did start out again after you're married?
Yes, I don't know just we had him there up to now.
Oh, yeah. You say you and him there up to now. You end up there with him. So you leave the marriage and then end up go there with the one who you really love, right?
Yes.
Okay. Well, with all due respect, people may want to judge you, but you may not do it the traditional way or whatever, but at least you end up with the one where you really love, don't it?
Yeah, I end up with the right one still.
All right. Then the right one, him born you? Talk it true?
Him born me?
Yeah, if him born you.
I'm not busy with that now. I'm not busy with that. If you want to do anything, and I start to come out and do it. I just experiment.
What that? Say that again, what?
If you want about me, I experiment, and I go to the experiment. I give everything.
You give him everything. So if him want born you, I just some little careless thing him go out there.
Yeah, some experimenting what I want to do.
Oh, so and it not bother you then?
No, sir.
It really not bother you for no saying probably out there do it with some other people?
No, Reggae, no bother me. It not bother me. But as long as him do it with respect, I'm alright with that.
Okay. As long as him born with respect, you're cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I can't stop me from born him if you want born him,
Him can't stop you from born him if you want born him?
No, he can't stop me.
What you mean? Him not gonna know?
I not make him stop me from going with another man. You see another man who I like,
Eh.
Yeah, I go do my thing.
Oh, you say even right now, even though you and him end up there and whatever, if you say a man where you go do your thing, see him here?
Yes.
But it sound like, all right, have you ever been in a position there then?
You born him?
Yeah.
Yes.
You born him already, no?
Yes, okay.
But so you born him, but you not left him?
No, I'm not left.
Okay. But what are the reasons why you born him then? Like, in at the time then when you born him, what were some of the reasons why you born him? You just see a man and like him?
Yes.
And if the man you ever step to the man or the man have a step to you?
The man step to me, I'm not step to nobody now.
Oh, but you know how to make the man step to you if you like him, though?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You look good in I look good.
You look good.
Look good, yeah.
Stay right.
Look good and the start out good.
And you start out shot?
Yes, I'm serious.
Oh, you start out sell off for real?
Yes, for real. Everybody tell me that.
Any man you sleep with him tell you say you start out sell off.
All of them.
Oh.
From the start till now.
From your start till now, every time you start out, the man them say you start out good.
Yes,
Okay, but it sound like you love it, man. You like it too, don't you? Talk it through.
Yeah, I like it, yes.
Love your sort out, don't you?
Yeah, man, I like a man who can do it good.
You can do it good,
I
okay?
like no pop down, man.
You don't want to pop down, man. So, you see the man, other man, where you pre, quietly?
I ask about yourself, no?
Oh, me?
Ask about yourself.
Me?
Yes, you.
What you mean? Tell me now.
You say ask about yourself, because you have to be other man who would have to, you know, say, are you?
I mean?
Are you what? Yeah, you do your what talk about.
No, me never know. Me
You
just,
know, be up to you.
you are pre me?
Yeah.
How long now? How long?
Long time.
Long time.
Yeah.
So big and serious, then if I step to you, I run it?
Yeah.
Okay. But make
More
you,
you give him a big up. More you give him a big up. So more so you give him a big up.
you want me endorse your thing so you start out shot.
Yeah.
Okay. But you don't know saying you do something and you not go and feed do. I quietly tell you do it.
Say, more you tell, more you don't come over the radio and tell me that.
Oh.
Yeah, but that's why you make me know straight up. Of course.
No, of course, I tell you straight up, you know. I say, yo, you don't know.
That more to man.
You know, but I say, yo, you know, say your thing in
I
that.
know you don't tell me straight up, so that's why more you tell me.
No, but I tell you quietly. I say, you know, say your thing, you know, while in there below 50%, it there 55, you know, so.
I'm not afraid of going into it.
Yeah.
More than afraid, because I know.
Are
You
you-
know, so good like that.
Because you know you're good like that, you have the
Yeah,
confidence.
so
Huh?
good enough. No to worry after anything. They just afraid that make you prove yourself.
I met me, no, but,
Yeah,
you know. But what you think about this? Because me a boy, lately, me not really not for prove nothing to nobody. Me take care of business, in it, but me not nothing for prove. I don't do my thing, wait.
Yeah.
So you don't want like an exceptional thing or something like that?
No.
Okay. But which other person in a media or in a entertainment you'd give? Talk it through. Media entertainment, so-called celebrity them. Who else you see where you say, you know someone that dash it out pan him too? Who else?
Nobody,
Okay.
honestly, nobody. Entertainer on my style, so I'm not really.
Oh.
Them on my style.
I'm just glad some of you ball out L.A. Lewis, you know. 'Cause them- God, would I lose half of you? Would I lose half of you? So wicked.
Let's keep that cross my part, man.
All right, then. But you definitely.
Oh, why? Let me tell you who.
Yeah, tell me.
LL Cool J.
LL.
No, LL.
Oh,
yeah.
that's a big star. Yeah, man. You like them body, they don't. And you love licking lip and then something, they don't. Them thing there.
Yeah, man, you look good.
Then tell me something. Your girl, when you do the things, them you do whole heap of something, don't?
You know, no.
No? You know, do whole heap of.
No.
You just keep it on.
Style, yes, style, but the swiping thing.
Okay. But in terms of style, though, you're full of style, though, don't?
Yeah. Do
Okay.
the styling.
All right.
I mean, I need to look all up. I mean, I need to kill up myself and then something like that. Want to enter?
Careful. Just say, want to open me door.
Want to open the door? Yeah.
I eat that.
You come like you don't want nothing more.
No,
Comfortable right there, sir.
no, for real. We know that situation, you know. Some woman not fair do no technique and once you step in that living room, man.
I saw me steer.
I hear a thing that.
Yeah.
Mad. All right, let's see.
I always hear it.
Always what?
I always hear it. And them always want to come back. Every woman always want to come back.
And you have the I shall return.
I shall return.
See it there.
Have to come back.
Have to come back. Can no man forget your Nokia address, no? But which town you live in, by the way?
We live out of Winard Road now.
Out of Winard Road, we're out of East there.
Yes.
All right. Let's say a word here.
So that's what you see. Y'all call me.
Huh?
Y'all call me.
You want me to call you?
Yeah, more you call me.
No, but don't tell me straight. Be honest with me. Because you know something I like when I'm not straight with me. Now. What you really want from me? Just to sort out what else you want from me. Tell me true.
I come here show and I want to come here show. If I get company, I come here show.
All right. Forward, man. Mixup and Blenda was saying.
I don't want to do it by myself. So if I get somebody who can roll with me.
All right. Let's say a
I have a
word.
girlfriend who can roll with me. I come here show.
All right. Let's say a word, man. Then give me a yell when
I
you...
know, me I go make it to me say, but me I go make it to me, yeah.
All right. Just give me a yell when you're forward, man. Just give me a yell quietly, here. Nobody load it up, here.
All right, I got it.
All right, then.
Nice talking to you.
All right. Bless you. Here we go to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello. What's up?
I never know something I forgot to call the program and I didn't get it. I forget that one today.
All right, talk up, Papa, talk up.
That one you say. It's like a woman, see?
Yeah.
She have a man.
Yeah.
9 years in there, see me?
Yeah.
But the man work a foreign.
Yeah.
So the man come in and them a send on a little thing, you see me?
Yeah.
And the brother say, yo, you want a swipe.
Yeah.
That's the husband, you know.
Yeah.
I say, yo, you have thing in the fridge like cream and them things. So the woman I say, yo, she not depend that.
Okay.
Yeah, so the brother goes to me now and say, yo, him a cut, you see me?
Yeah.
So him cut and go back and since what the him call her and tell her, say, yo, him get a girl deal with the thing and he's done with she. Him a go work with that girl there. So she will just take the youth them and bring the game to his mother. You see me I say? So the woman I say, yo, right now, she just ready a bill because she have everything started out already. As him come down, she give him a salmon.
As him come down from foreign, she give him a salmon.
As him come down, as him reach, she have a man feet.
She have a what?
A salmon.
Yeah.
That them still married, you know.
So she gonna divorce him? She gonna divorce him?
That's right.
She gonna divorce him?
He still want a divorce already because she not his wife.
Then wait, but so weird. So let me understand. He might leave him wife because she not swipe him?
Yeah. A big man thing I tell you, now, she give me the history, you know.
So the man will leave him woman because she not swipe him?
After 9 years.
After 9 years, he might leave him wife because him wife not swipe him?
Nah, give him a swipe.
What you think about that? Who you think a violate right there, sir? Yeah, who you think a violate?
No, the man.
Okay, all right.
What, the man?
How much picnic him have? How much picnic them have?
You know, some of the quick, but June 2, she attack around 2, you see me?
Around 2?
Yeah.
I know of situation where this happening, you know, not in the case of wedding, in terms of marriage, but I know a situation where people, I know a woman leave man because them not swipe, I know a man will leave woman because them not swipe. Yeah. But if you married for 9 years and you have 2 pitney and you have to leave your wife because, no man, there has to be more to the story. There must be more to that story.
Why? She said no more than this week. Because you went to, before him coming, she tell me, you know.
Yeah.
And she was happy, you see me?
Yeah.
She said, yo, and she now come back at work and I'm a passenger, you see me? So I see me see her and I need her and I say, yo, what going on for us here? Mash you up and gone and she say, you know, so me and him left. So when she start telling me, you know, me start bust out the laugh and I say, yo, I have to go call Raga and she say, I want him to me. You see me, but she still give me history. She had to tell me, say, yo, she tell her it's FaceTime. So when we call, she hear it.
All right. Now, see, I heard my respect for that, man. But John was star. I don't think any man should leave him wife after for 9 years. We have 2 pitney with her and whatever and leave her because she not swipe him and thing. I mean, you have to go work out something. Work out something. Anyway, bless up here, my king.
See.
All right, protection. You know, Jeremy, I not support that one. You work with it, yo. Your wife for 9 years, 2 pitney or whatever, you going to leave her because she not blow the skin float. No, that's not right. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right. That is not reason. There has to be other reasons, you know. There must be other reasons. Because, no man, you know, probably that a destroyer brought the camera back. But there must be something. She must have worked lazy in her work. There has to be something else, whatever. Barring that, then he's a dirty man. He's a straight dirty man. To the phone line, we go. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga.
What's up?
How are you doing?
I'm there, Bill, you know?
First time caller, long time listener.
Bong bang.
Yes, you alright?
Yeah, man, I'm a good man.
You know, long me up on the line, Raga, try calling, like, the man a talk so long.
All right, talk up, you know, what you saying?
Me not really have nothing to say, but me not tell a lie, Raga. You know, say, you're a nice young man, though. Me not tell a lie.
A nice young man. What do you mean by that?
You just, I guess you're in your 40s, though.
What you mean by that?
As in your body, in terms of your body, you just take care of yourself and stuff like that. But anyways, me not mix up here. Me just want to heal up and tell her to just continue doing the good work. I'm want to big up my auntie. She in her bed right now. I listen to her. She love it very much. You can't big up for my patient name carry on.
No, them don't allow for the big up because if we do one, everybody else run in.
Oh, all right. I can big up, please.
No, them not allow it because anyone make you do it, everybody else running. And that's the rule on the show. I feel now, you hear?
Oh, okay, no problem. All right, take care of yourself and continue the good work.
Yeah, man. Bless up, man.
And bless it. Raga.
Wow.
You fi come at St. Elizabeth, man, then why you down here, you know?
When I St. Elizabeth, me far.
St. Elizabeth, a Goshen I come from.
Goshen. You know, so we get a good mix-up from Goshen yesterday.
Yeah, well, yes, I kind of have an idea of the mix-up, but I'm not sure, because I never really hear. Yesterday, I hear about it, but not really. Some visa thing?
Yeah.
You can't really go over it again.
No, man, yeah, man. He's a brother, like, him must be in him 30s or late 20s, something like so. And him father filed for him, and when the embassy make him do the DNA test, him find out, say, him a jacket. And the way him upset about it and shame, and say him nah go, him just go buy a visa, them say, muscle a visa, and then still go a foreign for not make it look too bad, you know?
Yes, we are going now.
What go on then?
But get to understand, say, sunset are human. Them they together. So they want to have children, but they can't have children because two shed pan cover.
Okay, you said shed, so we don't want nobody go confuse it.
Right.
You say shed as in Jamaican talk for short. You say shed the pan, shed pan.
Right. So two pan cover can't shed, you know, you have to have the bottom.
Okay, so a two woman then.
Exactly.
Yeah, and they want picnic.
Right.
Yeah.
So with the younger one, you know, the younger one left got Kingston. Go get one young man. Plant one in our garden.
Okay.
And come back and live within that shed pan.
Within that shed pan. So what? Papa Jesus. So one shed pan left and country and go town. And make a man plant a piece of plant in our garden.
Right.
And when the plant bear and the plant come up, and go back a country, go live with the other shed pan with the
right.
picnic.
So when me want to know now, how it have already started in the scale now? Because register general now go put in a scale, you know.
No, but she not put the man name on the paper.
Well, that me try to show you say we are going from what are going. So when you attack your things, you know, and people come and say something, you know, and then slaughter you, you know. Then if you understand, see how we are going. You remember the last time I come and say to you, say certain things we are going, and see there, a 2 CD come out now, you know.
2 CD come out with what?
2 CD come out.
Where at that?
Remember me that said to you the other day, say the big people them. And them do certain things.
Yeah.
And I later have, you know, the poor people them find out about you and them are use you, you know, but how them use you, know, that them use it for.
Well on. Make come and read the news, because you kill me with code here, I want to understand what you say. So we'll come right back to you, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, cool. Yeah, welcome back. I'm in the set now. We say mix up and blend and non-stop as our things set. Your front page at the start today. I want to see what I want. There's a cover story there. Charity worker in sex scandal accused of molesting boy taken under his care. May I investigate that one day. But then we see to the right of that. Woman's call to Raga causes fight. End up in a court. Now I read the story, but may I wonder, Ruth, may I wonder if this mama did call about? At this moment, they call about 2 women who were allegedly fighting over a man was a high point in the corporate area resident magistrate court last Friday. However, none of the accused women found favor with the presiding judge, as both women were told to pay or stay. In a drama, Georgette Farquharson and Andrea Taylor. Georgette Farquharson and Andrea Taylor. I wonder if this mama did I tell about. I know mama. Ain't Ruth? Initially, resident magistrate Judith Pusey had a difficult time trying to figure out what was the cause of the fight until one of the accused women reasoned, "Your Honor, she is involved with my baby father." According to a reliable source, what added fire to fury was that one of the women had called the Ragashanti live show with the Mixup. Farquharson was fined $20,000 or 6 months imprisonment, while Taylor was fined $15,000 or 6 months. I wonder if I the one with Muma because, let me tell you, you know why me? Well, you know why me think of Muma? Hear what she said. One said, she attacked me, Your Honor, and hit me in my back with her baton and threatened me, say she's going to chop me up. What is Muma's other name? Chopper. Right? Muma always. Why? You know, with that bad thing make life on this, I show you enough time and whatever. Muma, if I hear a link that, give you a shout out, make we hear what go on, because we want to know what Pana mix up there, whatever. Yo, you know just how the term mix up. Well, first of all, I know it's a mix up. It's something Jamaica on it. Day before Raga, long time. Mix up and blender day before Raga, long. Don't you know that? Right? And thing, I copyright it for business purposes. Just like how Grace day a long time, but Grace, you know what I say? Right, copyright the term Grace, I saw the thing go, a business. But the amount of time you hear the word mix up used now for all kind of something, not parliament, like the thing, you know what I mean, people are, I hear a well-known politician, proper politician. Them attack them business and I not pay them. All I suppose I hear the man ball. Tambourine for the one, the man. I said, hold on, me just see. Him say, wait, Raga, you there? I said, I just hear that, man. I just hear that. You know, people actually use that in general, you know. Like give something a shot. Them say, John, what tambourine for that one? Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yes, greetings, Raga.
Whoa.
Yes. Call about a little mix-up. A brethren called me not too long ago, and I'm killing myself with laugh.
Yeah.
Although it's not really a laughing matter, come to think of it.
Right.
You know? His girlfriend gave him a beating last night, you know?
Hey.
And 5 stitches. You know? He had to go to the doctor and got 5 stitches. So he was asking me if he should report her to the police. So I'm like, what's going on?
Hey.
He said she came over and want him to do a thing. But he's not in the mood. You know?
Oh,
he hasn't been in the mood for the longest while.
Okay, so she wants to sort out from him.
Right, you know.
And him never in the mood.
Yeah, he's not in the mood, you know.
And he hasn't been in the mood for a long time.
Right, for the longest while. He hasn't really been in the mood. You know? you know the big rainy season and such. And you know the night them cold here now.
They know that. Hey, go and talk. Hey.
Anyhow, after she started accusing him, said, boy, he might keep woman with her and such, you know. And he might tell her no. So him turn him back now, not paying her mind because she getting off at him, not paying her mind. Next thing you know, a frying pan, woof in her mate.
So we had to lick him in the head with a frying pan.
With a frying pan, and by the time I try to defend himself, it's being lick. Woof, 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 woof.
What? We had a crazy frying pan to him, man.
Yeah, man. Then fly out of the house. So you fly out of the house and gone.
But it's probably significant why she picked the frying pan, which always have oil in it, you know. So we had him, basically I tell me, say, a brother woman bust up him head and beat him up with a frying pan because him not sort her out.
Nah, sort her out to beat him, but when I'm talking to him, you know, this is a problem, I believe. He's telling me that he went to the doctor.
Yeah.
And I told him, say, him suffering from what you call Anthropologist. Because he's up into his late 40s.
Right.
Almost 50s.
Right.
And I say, I suffer from andropause.
Yeah.
I mean, that is similar to the lady with the menopause thing.
Right.
Right, and say that his body doesn't produce any what you call testosterone anymore.
Right.
You know?
Right.
And he might say that's the reason why.
Which leads to a form of erectile dysfunction.
Right. You know?
In other words, him cannot get it up.
Right. And I don't believe many Jamaican women actually understand this, you know.
Right.
Yeah,
it's true.
Believe many of them actually understand it. Like at the moment now, you reach that stage and you're not really performing or you're not showing the interest.
Right.
The first thing is like you keep no one.
Yeah.
Your interest is somewhere else.
Right. Some of them are accused. Well, some of them are accused of man them of being gay because them just ignorant about these natural bodily things that happen to man. Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
So. Am I basically tell me no, say, am I afraid to go home because I have a key to the house? key to his house. So I tell him to change the lock. Yeah?
Well,
he go to the police and the police are going to laugh at him.
But you see what man go through, though. You see what man go through. Ladies, them can't.
I have to laugh.
No, the woman they can't. Because you know, poor that all you know that the man they go tell the police. Them say, you know, so I can't go in my house because my woman are gonna beat me. Right? So them start laughing after me.
Right.
And then any of them go say, all right, then give me the details because we have to write a report. Yeah. So when I say, officer, she did have beat me because I don't want to start a road. What you say? Come out of the station. Come out of the station.
And I would just call and tell you,
hey, but you realize, say, I know which sweet you are dead, though.
No, but it's a serious matter.
Yo, you're too wicked. Oh, yeah, laugh off of your brother. Your brother get 5 stitches with a frying pan because him can't do the dog ring. Oh, yeah, laugh.
No, but I tell him, so I'm going to call Ragashanti.
Oh, God. Yo, okay, ladies out there. When men start advance up in them 40s, late 40s is usually the time, they do in fact experience what is referred to as a decrease in libido. And that is a decrease in sex drive. Right? The sex drive that can lead to successfully obtaining and maintaining an erection. A lot of men have problem with it. They either can't get it or if they get the erection, they cannot maintain it. It's a natural body thing that happen to people and so forth. Again, we should probably, put it this way. The way you are when man are 18, 19, whatever, it's very different once you start get down in your late 40s and up in your 50s and thing and whatever. Right? So ladies, you need to be understanding on this. And very often when you're understanding and you help out a situation, you're frightened if you know how someone come to attention.
Yeah, it's true, man. And that's what I believe when the Jamaican ladies need to be more educated about this situation, So it's not every time a man doesn't show interest.
Right.
So the man is really cheating.
No, and what happens is that the man now is afraid to even attempt to explain to the woman what it is because he knows that he will not be getting an understanding ear. Right. You understand? Yeah. So them keep it secret and then people walk and say this and that about them and so forth and think that one you suffer. And that's why I'm not I talk, when my Viagra time come, I want a room. No, I want a Viagra room, like a thing.
Well, listen, I'm at that stage and I don't leave it. I don't leave one without it.
I don't leave one without it. But you don't abuse it either because you know it's something you have to take in moderation. But what I'm saying is, any woman me there with, she have to understand, say, yo, she have to work with me with my pill when my time come. I don't talk. And she moved to me, say, baby, don't worry yourself, we're going to shot something or whatever. Cialis have a thing right now where you have a daily mild dosage where you can take and it keep,
Yeah, they advertise it, yeah.
Right. So we want the man, them go pre them thing, they talk to a doctor, ask him about the daily mild Cialis dose, so just keep up, keep the thing in a certain range so that anytime the woman goes so and dash out the sitting upon you won't get a frying pan in your head with 5 stitches.
You won't get a frying pan flagging,
Yeah, you won't get a... All right, you take care. Respect for that mix up there.
Yeah, cool.
Now, big and serious, ladies, men need to be understanding about like women with hot flashes, for example. When women go through hot flashes at them age, a lot of men don't understand what's going on. And the woman then temper the damn wicked pants and whatever. You understand? You have Jamaica man think of Obia people, Obia are doping, woman them and whatever. That time them just go through normal hormonal fluctuations, you understand? And by the same token, Jermaine, suppose I tell you something that you would have never known. You know, say just like a woman go through hormonal fluctuations monthly, and they have a physical bodily function for sure feet in terms of menstruation. We don't have menstruation for sure feet, but you didn't know, so we go through a very similar monthly hormonal fluctuation. You didn't know? You never know. I learned that in a class called physiological psychology. I mean, like a damn idiot, but miss, made it young, okay? So let me just use that preface. I said, miss, we don't see period. Like, well, of course not, Kingsley, and whatever. But she explained, I never know them things. In other words, you know, we have monthly mood swings too, you know. And we think it's exclusively the, you know, we always a tease woman and say, no, them can't be the president of the country because they make us in them period and send off to nuclear bomb and thing and whatever. But we go through it too. And women who really understand men, you know, them know when them man go through them thing there, you know. Yeah, man. Women who understand men, them know when them man go, like, what time of the month, him go through, and them know enough to ask him for money them time there and then something, you know. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing fine, man.
Raga, I can't stop listening to your show. Calling all the way from Canada.
From Canada? Where in Canada are you calling from?
Toronto.
Toronto. So what go down, Papa?
Why cool, you know?
Well, I can imagine, you know. I can imagine. Why I don't know how to manage with it up there, you know?
Well, I live with you. Raga, me understand, so you recently started listening because I think about the last week when you were at the other place.
Yeah.
Them girl work introduced me to the show. And Raga, believe me, man, they're the best, you know?
All right, we give thanks, Papa. We give thanks. We can give you a piece of Jamaica every day so you can feel connected back to your place, you know?
Nothing, man. Raga, let me understand, say, St. Mary. Who come from St. Mary? You are your old lady?
My mother. I was born in the Victoria Jubilee Hospital in Kingston, but my mother is from Mile Gully, St. Mary, just upside Jessica there, near to Gale.
I play some trampoos as a youth, man.
Cooler, man. And that's how I think set, you know. But
I have a little joke with you. Don't really mix up. I know my friend and my panny hustling and dead with laugh now.
You see, rinse it.
I have a little brethren come down one at a time.
Uh-huh.
Me is a little thing. No, come up, come a family reunion.
Uh-huh.
So come back, I show me some video, you know.
Yeah.
So this little daughter stood out, you know. I say, who this? Him start laugh. So after him start laugh now, you know, him start show me, say, boy, him beat flesh, you know.
Yeah.
So about a week or two after Raga, him call me and say, tell me what? The doctor called me and tell me that she's pregnant. So what? So him fly go him doctor same time, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And him doctor said, no, be yourself for time. That can't possible.
Well, the doctor tell him, say, it cannot possible say she's pregnant.
No, say it's not possible say she's pregnant. Be yourself for the timing. It's unlikely to see him.
Unlikely. Okay, all right then. Well, that is different. Unlikely is different from not possible. Go on.
I hear you.
Yeah.
So, go back at him concerned and, you know. All right. So, every time he send phones and him send go check someone. I see him place on your neck of the old lady neck of the woods too, you know.
Okay.
So,
When I said Mary there, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So, they take a stock now. Send some funds and send someone go look for the daughter because the daughter claims she's sick and she want more money.
Yeah.
So when the man them go, them can't find her.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, what? So all right, send some more funds now. All of a sudden, the daughter go to the doctor and come back and see a twin.
Mm-hmm.
Doctor see a twin.
Mm-hmm.
A twin. One of the baby did hide at the belly. See a twin. So more money that.
Sure. Mm-hmm.
So the man say, all right. One time now the daughter called and said she take in and go to hospital for the baby.
Mm-hmm.
she say, a twin, but the boy dead. The joke is that him never have no son. Him have 2 girls up here. So when him hear say a son included in the lot, him desperately want a son, you know.
Yes, man.
So him that do anything for the son. So the daughter call him back and tell me, say, the boy dead. The man just hang up the phone to next string, Waga. But a lie, I said and done a lie. The daughter telling her never pregnant, nothing.
Listen to me. It's a regular can run pan foreigner. Regular can of Jamaica for a long time. Woman them dash it out to a man or whatever. And sometimes I tell you, say, you know, say your condom bust and all them thing that them pin all the condom. You know, when you say pin the condom, take come and pin juke it and whatever. And then make sure, said, you know, you leave thinking at some point fluids were exchanged, regular can. And as soon as a man gone foreign, him get some links to them a breed and whatever. Regular can.
I laugh still, you know, because it's a man kind of tight still. But I'm kind of excited in knowing, say, a son included in the lot. Anyway, Raga, I can't even believe that I talk to you. I know my friend and Pani also, you know, I dead.
You see, that's a word, man. They ain't big them up.
All right, big up. No, everything good.
All right, leave it right.
I can leave it as it is.
Leave it right there. So is that thing we always reserve for international call of them, but proper respect and thing and safety and protection up there in I cool and we don't know it going in the day of them country. You know, I look much and I make life same way for the family and things. So are the blessings we say.
I love your program, man. I believe in my whole fan international, man. We listen to you, God Almighty. If we don't hear Raga, we can't work. We
know, man. We know a thing set. The blessings and respect, yeah?
One love, my brother. Jagai, that one love to all Jamaica. We love you like so, you know?
Manners and respect, man. All right, blessings.
And I'm not my brother. I'm going to go tune in now.
All right, Papa, cool. Okay, we're going to break with so forward. Yo, people, welcome back. Yo, I beg on a blind. I beg on a blind for play. On the nose, I ever set a prank call. I like my favorite prank call and thing. You see it? My favorite prank. I beg on a blind for play that one. Yeah. Do me a beg on a blind. I know nothing on the phone line and thing. I don't want to hear the call him. But I beg on a blind. That one, let me tell you which one more. I want the one with the brother with the surgery. When if you call the brother about the surgery, and thing and the kidney something or whatever. That one there. Looking at my phone and shot that one. We're good. People. Only does listen to prank call and I found a it already. We're talking the one them where we can't get tired of them. That one is shot. Listen to prank call. Or never call a man and I trick the man about something for do with him surgery where I come up. Listen. Turn you up in a German.
Buckle up. And hold on tight.
That's right.
I'm not going to even give no intro, y'all. Here it is. I went there.
Make it rinse.
Hello. Hello. I'm trying to reach Brother Conley.
This is Conley.
How you doing, brother? This is Deacon Patterson calling from the church. How you doing today?
Deacon Patterson?
Yeah.
Just doing fine. And yourself, sir?
I'm doing good. You know, the church is behind you on what you're going through, and we praying for you, man. We know all about you going in the surgery on Friday to get your pancreas removed. So I wanted to give you a call, man, have a word of prayer, and let you know that we all are pulling for you, and we know that the man upstairs is going to pull you through this success.
Well, God bless and keep you there, Deacon. God bless and keep you, because I tell you, I'm going through something here. Me and my wife, we've been talking about it, and we've been praying on it, and it sure is a wonderful thing to know that your church is with you, and y'all thinking about me in prayer. I've really had to take this to the Lord. This is a serious thing with me, and I ain't never had an operation before in my life, and I know I need it. My wife done made it clear, the doctor done made it clear, and I believe I'm ready to go forward, Deacon. Was that Deacon Patterson?
Yes, that's right, Deacon Patterson. I've been in church probably about 8 months now. You pretty much been out most of the time.
Yes, sir. I have been out of here. Yes, I have.
So I've seen you a couple of times, but I wanted to call and put a word in for you and let you know that we're all praying for you at the church.
Praise the Lord.
Can't wait for you to get back, and we know after Friday it's going to definitely be a great success.
Yes, sir.
And we're going to give the victory to who the victory much deserves.
Yes, sir. He's the victory. He's the victory.
Yeah. Let me have a word of prayer with you, Brother Conley, if you don't mind. Just bow your head for me. Father God, we ask right now. We ask right now that you touch Brother Conley as he goes in on Friday.
Please, Lord.
Put your hands on him. We ask, Father, that you hold on to the doctor that's getting ready to go and put surgery on him.
Yes.
We ask that you make sure that the doctor has got a strong eye on that morning.
Walk with him.
We ask that he got a steady hand when he got the scalpel in his hand. We ask that you hold on to him as he goes into his surgery, because we know come Saturday morning, the victory going to belong to Brother Conley and the Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
We know all of this, but we ask that you take that pancreas and you remove it out successfully. Close him back up like it was never been entered in before.
Walk with me, Jesus.
That's what we ask, and we ask you, Lord, at the same time that they're removing this pancreas, Lord. We ask that you reach around his backside, and we ask that you touch his kidney, Lord. Touch his kidney and make it whole. Make it 110%. We want you to make that kidney like it's been the best kidney ever known.
Deacon. That's Deacon Patterson.
Yes.
Yes, sir. No, sir. There's nothing wrong with my kidney, Deacon. I'm doing fine. The Lord has done made it. Well, He's gonna work on my pancreas. That's what the doctor's operating on. They done prepped me for it, and that's what they plan to remove. So my kidney is fine. They did what they called one of them MRIs, and everything else is fine. They ain't working on nothing but my pancreas, sir.
Right. Well, let me say, I'm glad you brought that up, because this is one reason why I called you. Of course, I did call to pray for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I want to make sure that you make it through this successfully. But another reason why I'm getting around to this here is what I want to ask you. And I know we've never met face to face. I've seen you a couple times, like I said, at church, but you've been out most of the time with your sickness and whatnot. But now, what I was going to ask you was, and I know this is, I hate to come at you in the final hour when you're getting ready to go have surgery and all that, but if you don't mind, if you could see it in your heart to do something for somebody else.
Yes, sir. That's the Lord's will. You're always supposed to help those who can't. Right.
And I'm glad you think like that. Now, when they go in on Friday morning and remove that pancreas out, do you think that they could go in and get one of your kidneys? Because I need one.
Hold on just a minute, Deacon. What you say? What you say?
See what is? See, I've been going through myself with a little ailment, and I'm wondering if I need a kidney, and I'm wondering if you can give me one of yours when they go in to get your pancreas. They can already have you open.
Did you say you wanted them to take one of my kidneys?
Yeah, and give it to me because I need one.
You need a kidney?
Yeah. But I mean, you already going to be laying there open.
Wait a minute, mister. You need a kidney? I need help with my pancreas. You going to call me with some like that, man? This ain't no work of the Lord. Now, you say you a deacon?
Yeah, like I said, Deacon Patterson, my name. But see, what I'm asking you is, what harm is it?
Me, man.
Brother Conley, what harm is it if you already open and laying on the table?
Oh, you ain't heard a damn thing I said, have you? I said I'll be... Man, you crazy as hell. Now, what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to need to call the pastor. Because, see, there's some going on here. You say you knew? You mighty damn knew, mister. Matter of fact, you too damn knew to know who you talking to.
What I'm saying is, you have two, like you say they did the MRI.
I don't give a what I said they did, man. I got two kidneys, you got two. One of yours bad, that's your problem, mister. Let me tell you something. I'm trying to get well, and you calling with this. You say you a new deacon. You damn sure is. And you won't be at that church long. I tell you that, because if I ever get close to your sister, we got some reckoning to do.
What is it going to hurt for you to give me one of them kidneys if both them kidneys is good?
It ain't going to hurt them thing, because you ain't getting my kidney, man. It ain't going to hurt. What is wrong with you?
Say, man, all I'm saying is if you're going to be open and laying on the table, what is it going to hurt for you to give me one?
Oh, now you're going to tell me I'm open and laying on the damn table. What kind of a prayer are you in charge of, mister? Let me tell you something. Obviously, I need to meet you before I get to the hospital. And maybe I can help take out that damn bad kidney of yours. I can tell you that. We it out. You won't feel a damn thing. How about that? There's too many games going on in the church today. I'll be damned if you're going to call and talk me out of one of my damn kidneys, man.
I'm trying to live just like you trying to.
Let the Lord take care of me, because what you talking about ain't got a damn thing to do with Jesus. You can kiss my and get off my phone. That's what you can do.
Can I say one more thing to you?
What?
Is you listening to me?
Man, I done listen to you, and you ain't talking about nothing. That's got nothing to do with what's going on with me, mister. You running a game? If I could get to you, I'd put land in your
But can I just say one more thing, and then I'm going to let you go? Is you listening?
For what?
This is Nephew Tommy from the Steve Harvey Morning Show. You just got pranked by your daughter.
Oh, Lord have that girl. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy.
Hey, you all right, Brother Conley?
Man, you done made me use language that I swear I don't know about. I heard my neighbors and them using that. I done stopped a long time ago talking that way.
You just got pranked by your daughter, man. She said, we got to lift my daddy's spirits up. He going into surgery on Friday. She said, Tommy, they going to take his pancreas, but please talk to him and just put a smile on his face. I say, okay. You all right?
Please forgive me. Lord have mercy. Woo! Y'all, I'm going to have to. Lord have mercy. My heart is palpitating here. Lord have mercy, Jesus. This ain't me. This ain't me. And I tell you what, and I enjoy Steve Harvey and Nephew Tommy. I do.
Brother Conley, I got to ask you one more thing, man. What is the baddest, I'm talking about the baddest radio show in the land?
It's got to be. It's got to be y'all. It's got to be y'all. Hell, I don't even remember the name of it now.
The Steve Harvey Morning.
The Steve Harvey Morning Show. Lord have mercy. I ain't going to forget it now.
Yo, baby, I tell you, sir, we can't get that. That is one of them, we cannot get that. Yo, I want to tell the boy doing Tracy upon the wall. I tell you about Raga, stop playing this, I'm warning you. Hey, doing Tracy, come on for a fan while and go about your business. You're all nastiness. I want to tell the boy, yeah, man. For what you know to say, I load up the thing in and I chat, be a foolishness and whatever, and I judge everybody upon the wall and I go. Hey, do it, Tracy. Do about your business and go. Why you not going to bury yourself in some old rubbish or something? I'm warning you. What the, look at boy, you're ranky, man. You get too hype here now. You get too hype right now. You breathe and squeeze you. Michelle up in high place. Michelle, what you about that prank call? Man, don't.
So I'm listening to me.
I tell you, say, I can't get that. Oh, Lord, you know I ain't going to give you my damn kidney. Yo, nephew, you're the boss for them thing, you know. But nah, lie. Nephew, shot. Nah, lie. But anyway, like you know, who I listen to this show a long time, I don't know, say me have a set of them prank call. You know, I never pay one, but boy, I love them, you know. A boy doing Tracy, I want to him. I don't go about your business, my yo. Boy, I want me. I'm warning you. You get too hype. No, you know, look a boy. Look a boy, you get too hype. You get too hype. Go wash your tighty whities and allow me. Okay, you get too hype. I'm telling you, boy. I'm very judgmental, you know.
Yeah.
Very, very judgmental.
I'm
preacher. I'm one of them self-righteous things. Everybody in the world bad if them not say them prayers. And in love done people. You know how long I watch you look nasty.
That want the time you spend on the wall. You want to weigh him get
what am I do? I think company and I judge them, but I'm warning you. One my backside. Go on, yep. Sure. Anyway. But what you said though, that's the prank call shot. Nah, man, that's the one. You see that one there, you know Buddha call? Mm-hmm. Buddha call, in the closet.
The one about
heterosexual.
Yeah, that one there.
Heterosexual, that shot. And then the one where them call the woman and say they must take out her money figure help the Asian.
And the one about the Kanye West ticket, man.
The Kanye West ticket, that one is shot. That one is shot.
The husband and wife.
The husband and wife, that shot too. But anyway, appreciate the patience. Some of them may have cuss on the line right now. But I saw you show run. Every now and then we play a prank call and thing and get some proper. I want to do interest. Big up Shanice Borden over there in Italy, who I listen to the show. I must say something like minutes to 10 now. Or something like that in Italy. And she'll listen to the show. Big up my brethren Paul in LA, who I listen to the show right now in Los Angeles. And big up all our international listeners, them. We know that's what the thing said. All right, to the phone lines, we'll go to the phone lines. I appreciate your patience. Hello?
Hello, mister.
Yes.
Guess what happened?
Yeah.
You are the one who teach me to go up and talk show, to talk the things them. I fear no one. My money done. I me put on back money. I me say me I talk to you today. I me not have tell me get you. I have to get you.
Listen, I appreciate because we didn't lose. I wonder what happened where you did.
No, man, the money did done, man. Guess what happened? You see plenty of people them when you talk your show. Even some of my family them. They don't like this, they don't like that, but when they don't member say, you're open their eye to where Waan. Right? Because right along the CD in them where I go on, me they tell you already say, is only certain people. And if you get time to watch the both CD, you see say all of the people.
Well, which two CD you talk about?
Two CD they run right now. Where I go round.
The CD there where we are here about with the gay people.
Not only that alone.
Which one?
A 2 set of CD I go on. You have one with the celebrity. Ray, Michael Jackson go down.
Oh, yeah. I know about that one there.
And another one there, we show you everything we are going in at the back of world and we are go down.
Yeah, we hear about that CD, about the Illuminati and them.
Me not talk about here about it. Me a Christian, and me want to see we are going, that's when me go out and people are show me sign. Me can know say that is evil. And then say one word to me. Me can know say that the word they are not right word, that the word they are evil word. Because you read the Bible, but I know everything you are going to understand in the Bible. And me watch them and let me tell you something. You see, when me tell you how day say certain things, I know for the local people, we just start shopping at Jamaica here now because they in here long time and people start to flirt with it.
Yeah.
Those people, 2 shake pan, 2 banana, them in a then time there, them connect for certain power, for certain protection by using the dark world and the demons to, for instance, you in the chair then and then decide say they want your chair, right?
Yeah.
They have to kill somebody who they love.
So you are telling me, say the 2 shed pan people, that are the lesbian, them, and the 2 banana people, the homosexual man, them connect to the dark world and evil and them something?
It's not just that stop there, so Raga, it's not just that simple, so. Right? They have to kill who them love. And then for them...
Hold on.
You know, hear what I say? You say, when you hear from the show, right? For join for them group, right? Them have to kill who they love or them.
They sacrifice something. Yeah, sacrifice.
Exactly. We get certain power, right? So if a police make fi catch him, instead of the police catch him, 3-4 man down the line dead. And if then dark world say, well, me want one another blood for one another protection, and he can't get it, well, further down the line, the police say no forget him.
But okay, so wait, you believe everything what you see in that CD, pan a DVD? You believe everything what it say?
All right, now you let me tell you where I'm going.
No, well, it is very popular in Jamaica in an underworld sense, in the underground, in that it has sell like upbread. There are thousands everywhere I go, people are watching. And it do up Michael Jackson, it do up Beyonce, it do up Jay-Z, it do up everybody and a type of connection to the underworld and Satan worship and the group and the Illuminati. But you believe everything in it. You believe.
The reason why I believe God shed in blood for our house. When the place where you use the blood used to shed, after and crucify, that place render and open because people used to have their blood go give the priest.
All right, but when me I said to you, I will have a bounce couple more calls and said,
so
but
if Satan, well are they? You see if Satan part now, he must get blood at all time to do for him work.
So that's a Satan juggle for him thing.
All right.
Okay, but here what me I said, when me want you know, if you notice that all them set CD and DVD there, that the whole of them frame as if the man a preach about God and the right way for walk with God. You notice that, right?
Then that me assure you.
No. What I want you to be careful of, though, is to understand this and listen to me very carefully. You have a lot of people who, they may have agenda, they may don't like certain people. Sometimes it's not even that they don't like them. Them just believe something. And what them do, them use God because them know say somebody like you is a Christian and a God you say and you not turn your back on God. You understand what I say?
May I listen to you?
Yes. And what them do, them frame them ideas. Them use God and wrap God around them ideas and what them think about people and so forth. and then present it to people like you that way, knowing full well that once you hear say is a God message you're going to get, you're not going to necessarily think critically about it and reason it out or whatever.
You're taught the thing when me see at lot of time. You go for prayer and instead you live with blessing. You live with 100 crosses. That's why the Bible says you have to know them, and to be know them you have to clean. Just like how me tell you every year, say, have a clean heart, don't think nothing negative, and move on.
Suppose I tell you, say you have people out there, say, I tell other people, say, a Satan I use me.
Because them don't understand themselves.
Me dear Christian and a woman come burn me out the blood of Jesus and this and that and whatever. I don't know if you remember that. You remember that root? The blood of Jesus. And because she said it's Satan I use me, and she said message on God tell her say Satan I use me, and me the devil pick me and all them. So
let me tell you something, youth. Many are called, few are chosen. You see plenty time and you see people behave those ways. Couple years down the line, look pan sidewalk, who you see government of your feet pan sidewalk. Be a full Christian and not a ananap and not a hypocrite.
All right. No, me not tell you, so you must disbelieve everything with the CD say or the DVD. Me just I say, when it a present, not because him say him a talk about God and him a talk about people who him say a fight against God or don't like God, means say you must just view it, listen it, and accept everything what it say. Reason it out here. Don't make them general with.
Well, I know, me no want to take up your time. Yeah. But remember, so we come from Egypt, and Egypt something still a go on, and Egypt curse still living. Mm-hmm. And Moses still did the delivery, just like how he deliver me and you. And take care of yourself for the new year and full up.
And your blessing to you, may God richest blessing just cover you and cover you and cover you and cover you. All right, so we ask now.
Yeah, my thing is, the young lady that called you earlier said she married the man for things and not love.
Yeah.
Like I encourage them things there now. Big and serious thing.
Stop right there, sir. Stop. No, hold on. No, stop right there, sir. You said, Raga, you know to encourage them things there. What led you to tell me that statement now?
Raga, let me tell you something. You see, the more you talk and you tell them this and you say that and all sort of things, them feel like say, yeah, something good them do. No, nowadays you can't.
No. The first thing I ask you, what did I say that you can interpret that I was encouraging it?
No, man, not that you're literally encouraging.
Oh, okay.
The thing them that you see when them people call and say those things like that. One thing I can tell them, never take people for granted.
I agree with it, but can I propose something to you also?
Sure, go ahead.
All right. It is known that one of the most important things to woman in a relationship is security. Do you know? You know that, right?
Yes.
All right then. It is very common for women to marry a man who can provide security. Yes. Be it financial security or physical security and so forth. What that lady was saying was that that man provided certain things that we need in life to survive. But apart from that, she was not emotionally connected to him.
But you see, the thing is, she took that man for granted. Nobody the way.
No, darling. I don't think. No, hold on. I don't think you're understanding what she was saying. You know. It's not that she put it this way. I think you're being a little bit too harsh with her. Given that it is quite uncommon for a lot of people to say, when I go pick up workless man for me, I must get a man who are working and whatever, this and that. You know what I say?
Yes, I agree.
And those ladies, sometimes they may not necessarily feel like a strong emotional connection with the man, but they say, yo, he's a good provider. Him did for him kids, him pick them not hungry, whatever, good man. But
listen.
Yeah.
The thing is, she reached to the point where she's saying that she wants to start out from you. No, Raga, please. No, me no.
Okay, well, all right. Stay right there. Well, we're going to make them read the news, and when you come back, I want you to touch her route. Make sure she sit there on line or come back. I want you to touch her point there. All right, we're soon forward. Stay, we soon come. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our mix-up. Sitting now back to a caller where did have an issue with an earlier caller and some things. So we reach a point where you say when she put local arguments to me. So where really I say about that? Yeah?
Seriously.
Yeah. Hold on. When I hear you good. Hello? Ruth, sort out that for me now. Sort out that for me, Ruthie. Sort out that. People, it's all about us so we know we lose a friend. The red carpet affair. Seeing foreigners and Craigtown promotion. Them second annual memorial all white. Maureen Powell, a.k.a. Lola Frost. All of my Craigtown linky, you know. Jonestown. All of my jungle family, them. When I know say this is a shot the 27th of December, Craigtown Square. And I don't know the thing said a Liquor Richie 007 Gary Sweetness out of Miami. And the big bad mighty travelers, long time foundation set and thing. You see it? Night Rider video the sitting and Ray admission. You just come out in your white and thing. Big up Lola Frost and thing because your ratings lock like that, saying. So we know we lose our friend Monday the 27th of December. And of course, yours truly, Ragashanti, will be there. I will be there. Down at Craigtown Square on the 27th of December. Mad again, see? Big up my linky. We come on. We make me know say after the other dance. Everything is everything. We come on, large up yourself, you know, because you don't know how things set in the captain back in a say a word. We come on, everything is everything. Back to the phone. Where about the caller? Oh, yeah, hello.
Yeah, Rada.
Yeah, man, just tell me what you're saying now, eh?
All right, let me tell you something. You see, you might think it has been a joke when some of them say they want to start out from you.
Yeah.
But a lot of them take it seriously.
Of course you're serious.
Right.
So what is wrong? Wait, what is wrong with that? What is wrong with that?
But you never go out there go start out with everybody who wants to start out with you, Rada.
No.
Right. So right there, you give them false hope, so.
Ooh.
Don't me. Yeah, give them false hope. Because none of them the argument where them have. No, me listen to Raga every day, no. Raga fan. But let me tell you something. You see, some of them, if you're really out there, Raga, me out there on a 24-hour basis.
Yeah.
And if you're out there and you hear somebody something when they talk, so they want to do it, Raga.
Yeah.
And you say, they want to go say to some of them, say, all right, tell me where, and whatever.
Yeah.
Them take it serious.
No, but hold on. No, may I ask you something then? All right, me and you, I could just understand, say, you have enough woman who want to sort me out, say them serious. All right, I could just, you have only a woman who that never sort me out. You have only a woman who just like me, and now go take it on a sort out level. I have some woman who sort me out. My question to you is, why is it a problem to you that so many women want to sort me out? Me not understand that.
It's not a problem to me, you know.
But what wrong with it? What wrong with it?
When you go get some of them falls over, you know say you can't go there. Cause you might get Dutch spot when you go home.
So I might get Dutch spot when me go home. I might get beaten.
Yes, man.
Hold on, let me tell you something. You never walk go down the road. A man never look you yet. And you talk to him, but you know you're not sort out with him. Talk the truth you got. You said enough time. You know a man I look you up with that. You know you're not going to sort out him, but you're there to chat to him or whatever. You know him like you like that. And you probably all flirt to him and say, you can't manage me and Ray and this. But you never, right? You do them something, they don't it?
You never do it.
So what wrong with what me I do?
I'm not for them you fall up. No, you do it now. You read the night. Don't you read the paper today where the woman beat the other woman because she took up and said she did with the man. Are you before that?
Yeah.
All right. No wonder that two of them go and come on your show now. Come here, come on your show Friday,
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
You come on your show, you know.
Yeah.
The fight is like a block over Raga, you know.
Wait. No, but what are you... Do you know how many shows I've kept?
Raga.
Hold on. What I'm saying
is... You know how much man I call you right now just to want to start out?
Listen to me. But what I'm saying to you is, I think you're not giving the woman credit. A lot, you know how many shows me keep? I keep a well passion woman never fight over me on my show yet. Never one time, woman. So I don't know why you get so concerned. Say that it may end up in a drama. Say, I can't believe you just say you come show for go see woman who fight over. I bet you don't see no woman fight over me.
Because you see when that happens Saturday, me call back Monday for done, you know, because I want to see it. Me never see it.
But between me and you know, but you have a lot of women like yourself who don't like me like that. You're not, you know, you are not attracted to me like that, right? Right. So, and then you have some who are, but I don't think that you should knock them for that. I will if a woman wants to start out, I don't know, Baby Sham. I will if a woman wants to start out Bruce Golding. I will if a woman wants to start out KD Knight. I will if a woman wants to start out Beanie Man. I will if a woman wants to start out LLO. Sorry, strike that, take that back.
Oh God, why you have to bring in LLO?
No, me just I say, you have a will. And listen, there's another thing you must understand with women. You know? I know, I agree, a lot of those women are serious. But at the same time, as a woman, I want you to understand this because I'm surprised you don't. You see, when a man say, he want to sort out so and so and so, 99% of them man, they mean it. You see, most of the time when you hear a woman say, "Mother sort out this a man and right now. You see, if that man walk up to them, Michelle, every day Michelle talk about T.I. or she love T.I. and her man. And what should I do with T.I.? I guarantee you if T.I. walk up to Michelle right now and say, Michelle, that's what the something give me. Michelle would have nasty up to you and say, T.I. you're bright. I like yes, but when you take me wrong, I'm right. Turn on Michelle, Mike. Turn on Michelle. I'm right.
You're right.
Yeah, but you need to understand that about women. And not for them women who say them want something. Any of me go bright up myself to them. That's a ragga bill. I want to you. You understand?
But Raga.
Yeah.
No, seriously. If one, 2, 3, or 4 man come now and then say they want shout out and you get on the talk case and everything. You know what I mean? It, you know. But guess what?
Oh, you know me not mean it. Oh, you know me not mean it.
Raga.
Oh, you know me not mean it. Oh, you know some me would have got dashing my sitting upon them. Oh, you know some I said catch up your knee upon that dress I could deal with it. Oh, you know that. Oh, you know that.
Raga, stop talking, because me talk to you personally, you know. You don't know who I call you?
Me say, but oh, you know some is not a daggering machine. Hallelujah.
After you don't want to get fat, come and beat me when you go home.
All right, that's it. Nobody pay that no mind, man. Now, man, let me tell you something. I just one of them things there is like, you know, the business where we in and you know, I know my personality is like, and you know, I'm a fun person and whatever, and you know, some women like that. And we are consummating that and whatever. There is a theme of sexuality that surrounds the show, that runs through the show. And there are a lot of women who are liberated that way and free that way and, you know, self-determining that way. And if them see a man and them like, come on, nothing wrong if them communicate it to him and thing. But I wouldn't advise if you give too much attention. Here?
I did program thing.
All right.
One more thing, rather. Because all of the women them when they meet them man and them they do everything to satisfy them man. It's when they're married, do the same thing for the one them where do the same thing to satisfy the man. Tell them continue doing it. We get too complacent when we put on a ring.
Okay, you're saying that when the woman them want the man, them will do all kind of things to get the man and lock him in, and then after them married. Them get complacent and don't want to do the things them and be creative and
exactly.
go.
Exactly. Because some of them when they're married, they want help for the house and they don't say the husband and help for the help of the children.
Okay, see then now, pie, tambourine for that one there. All right, now say a word here. I see you Saturday, National Arena here.
Me say me come and me make friends for me put on my ID and show you because me and you talk more than one time.
All right then, baby, you take care. So I'm looking forward to seeing you too, and then me and you can all flirt too. What you say? That's flirting.
No.
Yes?
We're not going to go this stuff.
No, okay, no flirt.
If you never done your Monday when you come, we're going to start there and see. I'm going to call you Monday and done you.
No woman going to fight over me. Foolishness you attack.
You know, hello, you hear them call over radio, you know hear when they talk a road. My type of work, you hear.
Well, real quickly, why you hear them talk? What they say?
Well, Raga, enough time me there a function I work. I hear a woman all a cuss and say, oh, when you see Raga, wow, the other one jump in. Oh, you can't talk about her because I'm here. Whenever me catch Raga, they don't know Raga acting or whatever. And I be a warrior dog. So guess what? If I them come and you see a person, it has to do the same thing.
But what I'm trying to tell you is that a lot of times women talk like that, they don't mean it literally. Woman, we say, oh, when we say, them we say, when we say Neo, me I go rape Neo. When we say this and that, but when them say Neo, it's like, Neo, and them hug Neo and whatever. But them not got skin out and get Neo the thing, them just like that. Them don't really mean it that way. It's just their way of saying, I really like that person. But them don't mean it literally. It's a mistake men usually make, and you are making the same mistake right now. Yeah,
anyway, big up Chris Cross. Chris Cross 100% better than you. We talk to you again.
All right then, big up yourself and your Chris Cross. You see who you are rape off though, the little boy. You're lucky. Yeah man, laugh on that one there. A Chris Cross, you want to spin your turntable down?
Of course.
Yes, man.
The turntable, why not?
Oh, Chris Cross, you want for your mixer. You're going to see him Saturday, don't worry yourself. I'm going to make Cross play your tune. All right. Bless up. Right. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
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 How you doing? Raga, good to have you back.
Back? Okay.
Yeah, yesterday you wasn't being yourself yesterday.
Oh, no, but the show them have different feel, so. No, but yesterday I was very much here. I was just here in a different context.
Yes, Raga, I know.
We couldn't joke out the thing yesterday.
I'm talking when you just come on, even when you just come on here. We're not talking about the incident with the girl.
Okay. All right.
Raga, you said the lady we just done talk? My life is just to stop judge a girl because the girl never married to the man. She did. If she was listening to the show on Friday, she would have hear what happened.
Right.
Because when she went and tell a man that she sleep with the next man, the man tells him forgive her and everything. And then they went to the church. And when he went to the church, the man was the best man at the church. And when they went to the church, the man took the lady and the best man, and so I hope have a good life. And he walked out of the church.
Right. That's how the mix-up go, right. So
and he walked out of the church and leave her standing there, and she said she went after the man.
Mm-hmm.
And then because she felt embarrassed, she went after the man. And she never married to the man, so why is she coming and judging the lady?
Right. She wasn't married to the man at that time.
No, she did marry to him, so maybe them need to listen before they start judging people.
Right.
And maybe because she want you, that's why she vexed over the next people that mature themselves all over you.
For the record, she did not say that. And
Raga,
she did not
old woman I'm not going to say so. Because me hear a lady downtown one day. When I come on old broadcast, me hear her tell her, say, oh, I love Raga. The man said, that there with Raga. And she said, no, I'm there with Raga. Me here, she call your show. And I tell you about how she told Guy and Ray.
Okay.
So you know about follow for them, we'll come tell you about.
No, but Chris Cross, she said she want.
Really?
She want the little brown boy.
And if she don't go your show, Raga, she don't know so whole woman come on your show and them never fight over you.
Never one day yet.
Because I go whole your show, them never see nobody fight over
Exactly. You. And me's not fight over material. So I don't know what the excitement, whatever.
Them never express themselves.
Yeah. But you understand the point I make when I say she misunderstand them woman.
Yeah.
Like when a woman see all, I don't know, what tell me the bigger, tell me somebody who a celebrity to everybody what woman love her. Tell me.
Look at Denzel Washington.
When I them big woman, they say, no, I hear your woman ball out. No, so me I tell him would I get Denzel Washington, would I sex him off right now.
Yeah.
If Denzel come up at that moment and I move to them and whatever, them I go say, no, Denzel. Me like you and whatever. And
exactly.
You're hot and you're good looking, but me not that type of person.
I mean, they show the life here. Every day my friend them cuss me and tell me, say me I make my Raga mad me. Because when me I listen to my reader have to turn up on the way me go on when me I listen to you, Raga. Them I say, why you make Raga mad? I eat that. Me say, you're lucky. when I look at Raga, my love, or Raga, my husband, everybody me tells Raga, my husband. That don't mean say you're literally my husband.
Exactly. And that don't mean say you go dead over Raga or whatever.
Exactly.
But so that is what I think. It's just a woman's way of saying, you know, some really like that youth there.
Exactly.
Right.
Your ratings.
Exactly, right.
Because even when for the man, and yes, I mean, the call and I say, why the man them eat it? Them not really eat in Raga. Them just don't like the fact that them don't understand why the woman them not dead over you. So, what about you? So, because one friend asked me that, what about Raga? So, make you all over Raga. So, what about what me have with Raga not have?
That's true. In fact, I encourage, you know, the extreme of that when me hear. Yo, a woman in Trelawney, she come up to me and she say, well, and this is why I always tell women, be careful how you communicate to your man when you listen to the show and I tell them, no, you have to wait because of Raga time, no, and all them something there. It's not, it's generally, men, all of your man show off and go on like them macho and whatever, them cannot deal with them things there. Them cannot deal with it. Listen what this woman says she do now. She come up to me and she said, Raga, why I don't know a man so insecure about you and whatever this and that. I say, well, no, me I listen to this show and my man vex with you for that. So me got jumping and go say, well, him can't just vex with you because you're listening to the show. And I like me and you there. She said, and that me I tell him and one piece of argument start. And she go on and she tell me everything. And me there I support her right through because based on or whatever. So then me I said then I was, so what? Him tell her to turn off the radio. She said no. So me I said, what did I want? Would you believe when she tell me what actually happened? She start by saying, well, we are sat out and him start lean to the left. Me confused. So me I say, what you mean lean to the left? Me know, how sat? She said, no, we are sat out and him start lean to the left. So when him lean to the left, I see him say the headphone in my ear. Would you believe say that woman I sat out with her man and I listen to the show at the same time?
It's why me I laugh, Raga, because I did the same thing.
Yeah, what is that? No, you can't have a man and do that. Me would have a problem and do that. Me would. No, you cannot do them things and then she go talk about something that. Here for your argument, Raga, him knows him listen to the show. She never refused him start out yet, but she knows that him nothing ask in the show. She's arguing that she made a compromise. She get fear needs satisfied. Him get fame needs satisfied. So him should have been understanding about that. So she get for listen to her show and him get him sort out. That is damn foolishness. No man want to sort out a woman and knows she did listen to Raga. And next thing you know, she going to bust out a laugh and him going to say, I want. She said, it's not you, don't worry. No, man.
The lady, 2 times it happened to me. The one time I listen to the radio, Raga, him always have a time, I don't know way more improve. Every time I listen to the show, him always come, him want. So I say, all right, him say, turn down the radio. So I say, I not turn down too way, no, come on, hear the show. So me and him there, when me hear one lady give one mix-up and mix up shot, so me go laugh now. So I say, wait, that Raga you listen to? Me tell the radio and dash it out the door.
No, you can't do that, man. I bet you can't assert. Better you not sort out at all. You can't sort out your man and I listen to Raga.
When we listen to Raga time, when I feed them time, I feed them time.
No, but that is one threesome enough man can't manage.
But Raga, them understand that. Them not come when Raga time I go on.
Woman, younger woman, who no love sort out the vibes cartel. No, some man are comfortable with that, you know.
I don't like Vibes Cartel.
No, a lot of young ladies nowadays, man. It's the thing out there now, you know. For start out when Vibes Cartel music are play and thing like that. Them say Vibes Cartel just rock them so. You understand? Yeah. But don't start out and listen to Ragashanti live. You're too out harder. You're too out harder.
The way the man them need for do is when them Raga time them don't come for start out.
All right then, all right.
And that them need for do.
All right, then see us out there, yeah?
Yeah, Raga, let me tell you something. When I downtown with them, I call if I tell you something, my niece down there, I'm mad over Jermaine King.
Jermaine King?
Yes, I call if I tell you, you know, listen to me, you know, pay me no mind. Because every minute she call me, Auntie, Jermaine remind her of this. Jermaine favor that the person. Oh, Jermaine I going like him hide, so Jermaine.
so just Jermaine pan her mind.
Jermaine, so I say, you not going to talk to him, so you sure you can't go talk to him. Yeah, come, auntie, come, man, because I have him on my phone, so come.
Well, Anna, stop. We just secure Asbury on TV, Jay, for a second. Okay, and she look good. Why? What that woman love the TV, man? But anyway, go on, talk.
She says, come on, auntie, come on, because me have him on my phone, so come on, me have him on my phone, me can go look on.
You see it? But you see that she never did even want to run in too tough on German and whatever, but she love German anyway. But tell her next time she German, she will just roll up on him and give him a little smile and cool like.
You must call her bigger, but she tell me not to call her name.
Okay, all right, now say a word here.
Right,
blessing. People chaos burned up on TV again. Just here a while ago. Don't run in, man.
No.
Oh, okay. Go on. Yeah.
Shame on you.
No, I just don't want you getting in any trouble.
No, man.
Okay.
No,
so
the lady what did call and like she said about the woman them would do things to and whatever. I think the point that she's missing. You see, like if a woman say Shaggy or like an assassin.
Tyrese, assassin.
Alright, put it this way. You see, because everybody relate to Raga and the skettle and the raw cha vibe, then them are going to give it to you raw. You understand what I said? So then we come up to you and tell you in details. And not necessarily that them are going to rape you or whatever.
Right.
But them just give a detail because I saw people relate to you. As opposed to if them go to an assassin, them would say, assassin or someone take you out, yes sir. You understand what I say? So they relate to an assassin or a Shaggy in a different way that they relate than how they relate to a Ragashanti.
That is true.
Because of how him and the people them relate. So not necessarily that them want Nyamima for no pun intended or nothing like that.
Right.
So I think she misunderstand
that woman come up, even when a woman come up and say, I mean it. If she say, Raga, you know, some whatever you. And even when a woman mean it that way, what people misunderstand is that they don't necessarily mean, say, oh, if you want it right now, it's like, no, I could go out. Let me see me like you or whatever. I mean, you already have several points in your favor, but make we see if we seal it. Because what I always explain to the youth them all the while, it's when a woman like a man and I'll make comments that she going to give it to him. Very often woman say that, say, mother do so and so. And then the man open him mouth and say something foolish. And she don't sing that way there again.
Cause like for me, like I love T.I., but T.I. short, ew. Like honestly.
And every day is a T.I. your husband and
exactly.
my man, this and that and whatever it is. What you say you don't like short man?
He's short.
Okay.
So, you know.
All right. But me think people misunderstand women that way there because one, even when they mean it don't mean say, oh, I'm going to just give me something.
Yeah.
It's like, yo, when I go out or whatever, bam. Some women serious. A few of them serious. Me not lie. Not because some women do some things. Me not lie. Me not even not going at that. Some women step to me somewhere there and just serious with certain things, right? But they are in the minority. The great majority of women who say, yo, I raga my husband, I raga my man, I raga. I just feel him if say, you know, so I enjoy the show. I'm like him and him cool, I'm keep it and real. I'm cuss out the people, or whatever. You understand?
And she talk about people are going to fight her show. The woman them more for fight over the money than for fight over Raga. She don't know your people them.
It's true.
She don't know your people.
No, I real true. And them more want to fight somebody who are going to trouble me.
Exactly.
No, that's never fight over
Raga. Them would rather share
me would advise nobody if you come on my show and come out go say nothing bad about me or whatever.
They might get a Dutch.
Yeah, we get all that pot cover. Yo, you see a Mixup and Blenda Saturday, people bring on a tambourine, bring on a noise makers, bring on a things them who are defend AC wall, cuss out, AC wall versus fan wall, bring on a placard, bring on a campaign material. Bring on a thing with a crisscross for Prime Minister. You understand? Bring the thing to my nice up the thing. Make it mad this Saturday. I feel we say them.
And then bring like a sweet sugar water and piece of bun for Raga.
Because you know some might faint. No, you must bring faint in thing. One thing you must do if me faint. Don't put on a stinking crap over my nose. Me not depend it. Me don't depend it and it fits me up. Me have epilepsy. Where will I break? We're so forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
To the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hey, good afternoon.
What's up?
Hi, Raga.
What's up, baby? How you doing?
I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous, sweetie. You're speaking to
Uncle Raga.
Uncle Raga. Raga! What's up?
Raga, I just want to commend you on the wonderful work that you're doing.
Thank you.
You and your staff.
Okay.
Raga, you're doing a wonderful work.
Thank you.
Raga, you name what you name, and nobody can change your name.
I will give
right?
thanks.
You will always be the person you are.
Right.
And you're a God-blessed person.
All right.
I can tell you that. Raga, I remember I cried the last time when I was listening to you over on the other one there, on the other station there.
Over Liquor Yard, yeah.
Yes, and I was enjoying listening to you on that last day. And I realized, Raga, some home just never hear you none at all. And then he took up the phone out, my cell phone, and called my husband and said to him, you know, say after me there, I listen to Raga now, you know. He can't hear nothing from Raga. And then I think it was about 4 o'clock when he called me and he said, go on XY station, your friend is on it. And I said, oh, thank you very much. Yes, Raga.
You see
that? I love you. Raga, I love you like that.
That's a word, man.
Raga, I love you.
And your husband understand the thing. He can't say, yo, boom, bang, bang, and it's not a problem to him.
Raga, because you see, when he's here,
yeah.
and I'm listening to you, yeah, when he's talking to me, he's not getting nothing from me. Yeah, Raga, I'm not get that thing from me. And so when you listen to Raga, you not easy. Me says, all right, you just leave me alone. Let me listen to Raga. And when Raga done, then you can talk.
Right. But the people should look on the brighter side. At least my program is not at night.
Yeah, you know, Raga, I just want to hear your voice, just your voice alone. I mean, just start skin off migraine.
Okay, see it there.
So, keep on doing what you're doing, sweetheart, and God bless you.
Laugh, learn, and grow. Okay, laugh, learn, and grow. That we say, yeah?
Yes, Raga.
Blessings and respect. You take care. Thanks for your kind words. Appreciate it. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, my dear.
Good afternoon, darling.
And how are you?
I am doing exceedingly well, and I'm so blessed, and I'm thankful for it.
Wonderful. Raga, your general manager looks like somebody who have Down syndrome.
General manager?
Yeah, TVJ, general
No. We can't make it good, so, yeah?
But you know, look so good still. So don't need for certain things. But anyway,
yeah.
The lady who called before, not just now, the lady that was crucifying the other lady because then, you know, she did something before she was married.
Yeah.
Not every one of us is so fortunate to, you know, find love.
Exactly.
You understand? And I mean, she was honest enough to, you know, to tell the man.
Right.
Perhaps even that lady, that same person who's been crucifying the woman now, she would have gone through it and know that, you know, she did something and it eat her out and all of them things.
And it was for the wrong reason and still go through with it and thing. Right.
Yeah, because then something like that happened to me back in the days, Raga, because then I dated a man that I despised the man. But because I didn't have it and I have my children.
Right.
You understand? And I wanted was to go back to school then.
Right.
And the man pay me tuition fee. Raga, when the man take off him clothes, him cranny.
Him cranny?
Yeah.
And you still juggle with him?
But me not have a choice, Raga, because him...
No, you had a choice, but you just chose that route in order to take care of certain things.
And I had was to take care of my kids because their father died.
Right.
And I had was to take care of the kids when I live in a rent house.
And the point being, don't be quick to judge people because you don't really know the details of them situation.
Definitely not, Raga. I hate when people become, you know, sort of judgmental when it comes to other people. You know, try to find out what.
Tell me something. What you rate more? Somebody who there with one person who them don't like, or somebody who there with a whole heap of people who they like?
Well, for me, somebody who them not like, because at least they won't become a beggy to that person.
Oh,
they won't become a nuisance.
Okay.
They won't become a menace to them any at all.
All right.
You understand? And tell all of them people the way Raga we are texted for you. Tell them say, I know drop them to go drop asleep in a Raga. Because Raga, when you look on some of them, you know, in all of them mouth dark like a way Rabba live, you know. You didn't know?
Well, Tambourine! We say all in them mouth dark like how a Rabba live.
Raga, you that surprised.
Me never hear that talk there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me go down somebody like. I say, go from me, I say, you in your mouth dark like where thief live.
You speak to Raga. So some of them come on the year and them a go like them a miss goody. Yeah. And as you reel them, as you pull them, thread them reel out off of the reel. So I sit down Raga and stop judge people because them don't know what people have forgot you. You understand? And everybody get it on a silver platter.
All right, let's say a word here.
Trust me, Raga, me not get it on a silver platter. I'ma get it.
When what the levels, man?
You understand? You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Some of them sit down. So what goes with you know?
No, man, think different everything to where I juggle down to is it. But we are
bumped. Saturday I do it.
Saturday I do it, man.
You look out for Patagol. Hear that?
Patagol, National Arena, Saturday Patagol. See, a blessings here.
Raga, me like how you look down my place the other night.
Down with it.
Yeah, man, down a girl Chester, yeah.
I want to say a word, man.
I like how you look.
All right.
I'm going to get a one smell off of you. You smell fresh.
That's a word.
So here we know.
We
not just
fresh.
do it, you know.
Yeah.
We not just go hard. We are overdo it.
All right, baby. Take care of you.
Something.
All right. Yo, you're a cool voice, Raga. You're going to need a new wall because as of Saturday, we're going to shut down a Barshan Center. You know, so that they call AC wall.
Oh, Lord.
Over fan wall, them call your wall a Barshan Center. That's the AC mean about. A big thing over fan wall. But Karen, them did make up some name for fan wall, don't they?
From a longer way, man.
Okay. All right. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greeting.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Stewart.
Yes.
Long time listener, first time caller.
All right.
Time is gone. The Mixup a call it to give you. I'll probably call another time with it.
Yeah, man. Why you not give me now?
It's okay. For now, I'm just gonna congratulate you on the work that you're doing. I think you're doing a marvelous job.
Thank you.
In spite of what others might say, there's a place for you on the radio.
I appreciate the way you phrase that.
I never used to listen daytime radio. Because it's all about talk show and the same crap they're repeating every day. That means nothing and goes nowhere. And it wasn't until one day, 4 years ago, I was skipping through the radio looking for a station. I heard you. And that has been 4 years now, and I've been hooked ever since.
Oh, Lord, thank you. Appreciate it.
I'm just going to ask you to continue to be yourself.
All right.
One day, though, what I'm going to ask you to do for us, your listeners, if you could give us a little touch or a little taste to see what Kingsley is like. We all know Raga. We all know what Raga is like.
Yeah.
So probably for a 5 minutes or a 10 minutes, one day you could probably treat us to Kingsley.
No, but there are times when Kingsley and Dr. Stewart come out.
Really? Yes. But there are times when I see and I actually hear Dr. Stewart.
Yeah, but to be honest with you, right now, I'm not really too... Dr. Stewart and Kingsley can't hold in can. I Raga, Mr. Right. And I am enjoying Raga. But, I'm actually thinking of going over to the Registrar General and including that in my actual name.
It would work for you.
Yes, I want
Because what the ladies like and go crazy for, is Raga. I doubt most of them know Kingsley or would like Kingsley if they meet him. But they're all crazy.
That is true, because... And to be honest with you, Kingsley likes CSI, Kingsley likes Law and Order, Kingsley likes the Discovery Channel. A lot of things that Kingsley like, and Kingsley is actually very quiet,
let me tell you something.
You would be surprised, yes.
My partner is born the same month and date as you are.
Right.
And when he's with his friends, he's one, I wouldn't say loud, but he's more jovial and more out there, you know. And then when he's home, he's a totally different person.
Exactly.
He's much more quiet and much more reserved and more, refined.
Right.
In comparison to when he's with his friends and out there,
You know what is interesting? A lot of times when I'm traveling and I might be reading a book quietly. And
people find it strange, don't?
Yeah, but they come up and they relate to Raga from the radio. Raga, what? Sometimes I don't know, I just want to sit down quietly.
A lot of people, they don't know how to differentiate your character, your persona on the radio.
Right.
From the person you are.
Hold on, when it gets real interesting, when they come up and they sit outside and, and the statements are fine funny when them say, but Raga, you all right?
Yeah, because they
they think it's something wrong with me.
Yeah,
I think I said, no, nothing.
A particular way for the show.
You see it.
But
we give thanks same way,
And we want to wish the show all the best. And let me tell you something, Raga. the people who say they accidentally scroll through and hear your program, don't pay them any mind. Listen. They'll listen to your show. Yet if they didn't listen to the show, Raga, they wouldn't be able to know what is said from what was not said. The Lord bless you and have a wonderful rest of the year.
Cool.
Bye-bye.
Give me our next caller. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
The lady will call and it sounds to me like that lady is jealous in a Raga.
Is it sound jealous to you?
Yes.
You mean the lady who call and I done the lady them?
And I say, hey, why they want to sort you out? Them sure they want. What you want them to do? What you want them to do? No for them know you, so them sure they want.
Right.
Does she not know you too? She don't know you?
Well, you see, I don't really understand it, and I wasn't going to say anything where I feel might.
Okay, but no, come on.
You
see the problem with us, Raga, people won't allow us to express ourselves.
Okay.
People have a problem with it. The lady don't express themselves, them tell you what they want to do. And me can't tell you, Raga. You might have it wrong, but most of them people, them serious. If you couldn't take off your clothes, they wouldn't do it same way upon the stage.
You mean that woman they will attack her?
Yes, enough of them, Raga. Me come on one of your show, and you Kingston, and me see a lady who hold you. And the only thing she never do was get involved, literally. Yeah. You see? So what this lady attacks, you don't understand.
No, me never tell you about, me never tell you about the woman at the beach at Westmoreland. Where beach name again? Ruth, where the beach name again at Westmoreland, man? The woman who dragged me in the bush. Bluefields Beach. One big man, she have to be about 250 pounds. And whatever, with all due respect, she wasn't exactly clean either. Drag me in the bush and I tell me about I must calm myself and like she said, just make it happen. And whatever.
Boy, Raga, let me tell you, listen, did you hear last night? While Cliff was on the program?
I know my phone blew up, said something about Cliff run some survey about person of the year.
He run a survey about man of the year, and would you know your tie with Reverend Miller?
With Al Miller?
Yes.
No,
I give Reverend Miller the vote. I give him, but it's not that I would want to vote for you, but two.
No, may I understand. Then tell me something I know. Would that mean that I'm going to have to transport somebody soon?
As far as I understand, you are Reverend Miller deserve it. Number one, you are...
Hold on. Me, person of the year?
Of course.
Come on, man. Stop that foolishness, man. Me, person of the year?
Of course.
No, don't forget the bossy people, them thing, them, man. Me can't...
What you believe?
I skate like me, yeah, get a...
Look here, Raga. You believe is what... It's people like the politician will go and talk the pretty things they will want. Man of the year? No. It's people like...
Look who got it in Time magazine. It's at the youth. We start Facebook.
Raga. What, why you and Reverend Miller deserve it?
Right.
What if a lot of people realize what Reverend Miller has done? What if a lot of people...
I beg you, I could just take a last call. But is that me?
We are going to discuss that next time.
Next time, yeah?
Well, yeah, man. I wouldn't like you to get it still.
All right.
the both people, I'm not going to make you get it, though.
All right, no.
Take care,
them can't make me not get anything. I don't want something like that, but them can't make me not get when me want to get them lucky. Anyway, blessings here.
Yeah.
Give me a last calling idea.
Hello, yes, Raga. I really don't know what this segment is about, but I have to tell you this. I had it from a long while ago to tell you. To show you how man stay. You know, say, I know this woman, she's married, we were involved, as in bisexual involved.
You were involved with a woman, bisexual?
Yes, okay. She married and she lived with her husband and her kids and her husband family and all of that.
Okay.
God, woman, you know, me and her they are going to do a thing, whatever. Husband come home unexpected. He never did so come home so early, Husband come home now. Me don't know if it do, She know for her husband. So me just sound like a big idiot. I wonder, what is this now, Lord? Man probably could beat me up, say this lesbian girl come take away my wife. Anyway, she turned to her husband and say, me her cousin. And on her mother's side. So I say, all right, then take it. Him take it and go on, because apparently she know for girl him her husband. One next time now, I go there and the man come home early again. Come catch you with just done, Put on clothes and everything. introduce me to her husband again. Tell him this time, me our friend from high school. No, Raga, this woman are some bad. About 7 years older than me, or some 10 years older than me. Me and her could never be friends in the high school. Would definitely have to be the local 7th grader with us ups, all of in the 11th grader. And you know that not really work out.
Right. That not last so long, So then what happened after?
Show you how the man, him just take it, and from that Raga, Lord God, me I'll go there go spend all week. Every time him gonna work, and me and her they won't.
So in the member says a different story she did give him the first time.
I tell you. Me can't believe that I look so different to the man till me left from cousin to friend. And
so wait, you still a sort out him wife, no?
We stop what there, yeah. We drift off in the friend zone. I'm not too into that no more.
Oh, you're not too into the lesbian thing anymore?
No.
You're not a lesbian anymore?
I was not a lesbian. I had my boyfriend, and I go basically, as I should say, on the borderline, back and forth.
So you were sleeping with a woman, but you say you're not a lesbian?
Right, bisexual.
Oh, you're a bisexual?
With male and female.
Okay, because you didn't always have your boyfriend. Okay.
Right.
So what you say, you're not sleeping with a woman again?
No.
Why you stop now?
Because it just get, to be honest, Raga, you did it, and we now go on, and then now after me and the woman done, guess what I want?
You want the man?
Exactly.
I know, you want that something there?
Exactly.
So it's like
it's just like a long foreplay, and then
okay. So she's not one is chopper and lesbian, was chopper and something.
No, me never ever push nothing inside.
No, not going on no detail. No.
All right, yeah.
Okay, but
I've never done that. I think it makes no sense if the whole process don't make no sense because I was in it and it just
yeah. We can call you back tomorrow.
All right.
Make Ruth talk to Ruth right there. So I could call you back tomorrow and finish up that one. Fascinating. All right, people. Don't know the levels. At 1 o'clock tomorrow, we kick it off again. And we use a Mixup An Blenda. And we keep it real pan a show, and make you know what's going on out there in our country. Everything is everything. Take care of yourself, saying.